In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Affinity Photo. Flipping an image is a quick way to create a mirror effect or correct an orientation, and Affinity Photo makes it straightforward. I'll walk you through flipping horizontally and vertically, explain what each option does, and share a few pointers so you know exactly what to expect. Once you're in Affinity Photo and your project is visible on the canvas, look to the top menu bar for the Document menu. This is where Affinity groups commands that affect the entire canvas, which is perfect for global flips. Click Document to open the dropdown. Choose Flip Horizontal. This mirrors everything in your document from left to right, as if you place the image against a mirror on its side. It's especially useful for correcting selfies or rebalancing a composition. Keep in mind, this affects the whole document, so if you have multiple layers or text, they'll all be mirrored. If the result isn't what you wanted, use Undo to instantly step back. Now, return to the Document menu at the top. We'll look at the other direction of Flip, which handles top-to-bottom changes. Click Document again to open that same dropdown. Select Flip Vertical. This mirrors the document along the horizontal axis, turning the image upside down. It's handy for images shot with the camera inverted or for creative reflections. Just like before, the change applies to the entire document you're working on. If you're reviewing before and after results, toggling between undo and redo can help you confirm you've got the look you want. To recap, use Document at the top to control flips for the whole canvas, choose Flip Horizontal for a left to right mirror, and Flip Vertical for a top to bottom inversion. These are non-destructive while you're editing, so you can continue refining your project with full flexibility. With these two options in your toolkit, you'll be able to quickly correct orientation issues or craft mirrored designs with confidence.